is Janelle Toledo, and I am from STEM 1204 St. Thomas More. And today I'm going to show you my performance task in general biology class. Let's get started. For the cell base, I'm just using an illustration board, and I am cutting the illustration board into the shape of a cell. And for the stuffing between the two illustration board, I'm just using this cardboard strips. And this blue one is the capsule. I'm just using it to cover the side of my cell base. For the cytoplasm, this yellow end is the cytoplasm, and I am just gonna stick it into my cell. And this red one is for the cell wall. I am just cutting the paper into the shape of a cell, and I'm just outlining for the cell wall. This one is for the plasma membrane. I'm just using a yarn for my plasma membrane. And this red yarn is for the nucleoid. I'm still using a yarn for my nucleoid. And these are the ribosomes. I'm just using a bead sticker for this one. And the green yarn is a plasmid. And now I'm using a light green paper for the flagellum. And now I am just cutting the small strips for the pili. And now that I am done with making my cell, I'm going to stick my cell into the illustration board. And now I'm just writing the name of my cell, which is the bacterial cell. And I'm just writing all the parts of the bacterial cell. Guys, so now that we are done making the 3D model of the bacterial cell, and now I'm going to explain each part of the bacterial cell. So first is the cell wall. This is the cell wall. A cell wall is a complex mesh-like structure that in most bacteria is essential for maintenance of the cell shape and structural integrity. The second part of the cell is the capsule. This is the capsule. The bacterial capsule is usually hydrated polysaccharide structure that covers the outer layer of the cell wall. Next is the plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane, also called the cytoplasmic membrane, is the most dynamic structure of prokaryotic cell. Next is the nucleoid or DNA. This is the nucleoid. The nucleoid is a region of cytoplasm where the chromosomal DNA is located. The nucleoid contains the genomic DNA and molecules of RNA and proteins. Next are the ribosomes. These dots are the ribosomes. The ribosomes are microscopic factories found in all cells, including the bacteria. They translate the genetic code from the molecular language of nucleic acid to that of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Next is the cytoplasm. The yellow part is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm or protoplasm of bacterial cells is where functions for cell growth, metabolism, and replication are carried out. It's like a gel matrix composed of water, enzymes, nutrients, waste, and gases, and contains cell structures such as ribosome, chromosomes, and plasmids. Next is the pili. These are the pili. The pili is a thin, rigid fiber made of protein that protrudes from the cell surface. The primary function of pili are attach a bacterial cell to specific surface or to other cells. Next is a plasmid. This is the plasmid. A plasmid is a small circular double-stranded DNA molecule that is distinct from a cell's chromosomal DNA. Plasmids naturally exist in bacterial cells and they also occur in some eukaryotes. Lastly is the flagellum. This is the flagellum. Flagellum is primarily a motility organelle that enables movement and chemotaxis. Now I'm done explaining all the parts of the bacterial cell, and that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!